Hey guys, Brandon here from MyPOVGuitar, where we make you into a guitar player from your point of view. Guys, I've never done this before. And get while the getting's good, I'm gonna open myself up to give one-on-one lessons. You can find it at MyPOVGuitar.com. There'll be a link in the description and in the comments. And it's a 1-hour lesson, one-on-one. And if you do up to 5 lessons, you get automatically enrolled into the beginner guitar community. What that entails, you get the beginner course for free at that point. You're also in the community where there's going to be exclusive videos, webinars, things that I don't put on YouTube and are not in the course, quite frankly, and other like-minded people who are just getting started. And you can swap stories. It'll be a community. And I'm gonna jump in there and host some live events, just whatever we need. But if you do one-on-one lessons with me, and they're hourly lessons, and you do 5 of them, you automatically get enrolled into that. So that's a great deal. You basically get the course, and then as you go through the course during our lessons, you can come in and get me to talk to you specifically about anything in that course that's giving you problems. It's taking the course one step further. It's taking regular guitar lessons one step further. So guys, check the scheduler in there and see what works for you, because these are gonna fill up fast. With the online lessons that I'm going to give, I'm gonna give the 2 camera view angle. So you'll be able to see the front facing like this, but I also have a POV camera set up as well. So during our lesson, you can better see, just like you do with the course and the YouTube videos, where to place your fingers, how to do all the things. After the lesson, you'll get any materials that may be involved in it, chord diagrams, I could shoot those over to you. And the lesson will also be recorded, and then you can have that and go back to it. So it's not like a regular lesson in person where it's like, well, what did he say to do with? So it'll be an archive that you can have and go back to and learn at your own pace. But guys, check this out at MyPOVGuitar.com. This isn't gonna last long. Fill in your spot today and let's get started on this. And I can't wait to build this up and build the community up. And we're just gonna make this community the best thing since sliced bread. So guys, check it out at MyPOVGuitar.com. Thanks.